your person is present. Okay. In the matter of People versus Barrera on 243880. Oh, I'm sorry, McLaren.
Thank you.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. John Cowden on behalf of the people.
All right.
John, on behalf of Mr. McLaren, who is present to my left, Your Honor, is the time to set for pre-exam comments in this matter. I've had an opportunity to speak with the prosecution and with my client. At this time, Your Honor, we would ask that this be set for preliminary examination.
I do not have that date, I don't believe.
I looked this morning, Judge, there was not one yet.
Right. Yeah. So we'll set for the preliminary exam. Anything I need to be made aware of?
Not at this time.
All right. Bond will be continued. We'll get that date out.
I think. That
Thank you. Bond. Matter of People versus Mara on 241129. Appearances for the record, beginning with People.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. John Cowden on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Philip Stewart's on behalf of the defendant who was present with me.
All right. And what are we doing today?
Your Honor, I believe we have a plea worked out. People have extended the offer to plead no contest to 2 charges of disturbing the peace. And just to make a record as to why we're doing that, this was submitted to the FBI. The FBI cleared Dr. Mahar of any federal charges as part of our duty to uphold public safety. The Saginaw County Prosecutor's Office picked the case up. Since the time the case is charged, Dr. Mahar underwent a lie detector test demonstrating that it wasn't a true threat. He's undergone a psychological evaluation demonstrating the same. Additionally, he's receiving counseling based on the fact on how his actions might have affected other people in the hospital, even if he wasn't necessarily a true threat. And additionally, there's collateral consequences he's facing, including loss of employment, possible immigration issues, as well as a civil lawsuit.
Before I take that, with regard to immigration status, your client is consulted with, or you have worked on the immigration, explain the immigration implications.
Yes, Your Honor. We have consulted with and retained on behalf of the doctor and immigration attorney who has discussed the situation with us in great details. My client understands the potential ramifications of any type of plea in this matter.
All right. So anything that would arise under IDEA has been addressed. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And then is that your understanding as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Have any threats or promises been made to you in your pleas of no contest today?
No.
Entering your pleas in based on your own choice?
Yes.
All right. At some point during these proceedings, you were given an advice of rights that explained your right to a trial, your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty, your right to call witnesses, and also to question those witnesses who appear against you. You had a chance to go through those, and you understand that you waive all those rights.
Yes.
All right. Court is in receipt of case number 24717000206. That is a police report from a 1/11/2024 at 9:45 a.m. The court has reviewed the same back in chambers, finds sufficient factual basis to support the pleas of no contest. Is there anything further with regard to taking the plea?
Not from the people, Your Honor.
Nothing as regards to plea.
Judge, in case we missed it, the purpose of no contest plea is civil liability.
Okay, thank you.
That is correct.
All right. So what I will do is refer over to probation. That allows me to get more background. Courts do not participate in pleas, and so the part of the pre-sentence investigation is to get the court caught up with the facts and circumstances, also your version, and then those that are also implicated in the matter. We'll get a sentencing date set. We'll also have your client go fill out some paperwork today. Any questions at all?
Nothing, Your Honor. I would ask that his previous bond be continued.
Yeah, bond will be continued. Let me return the police report to you.
Thank you.
All right. Take care. In regards to People versus Shook on 243927, appearances for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. John Cowden on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. William Amadeo, P76194, on behalf of Nicholas Schote. We both appreciate and consent to this hearing via Zoom. Nick, please state your name for Your Honor, his staff, and the prosecutor know you are present.
Nicholas Schott.
Good afternoon, Mr. Shaw. Okay, and what are we doing today?
Your Honor, I was gathering some evidence for Mr. Margirana, if I'm saying his name correctly, and I did get a message that he's going till the 19th. Is it possible to have one final adjournment for 2 weeks for a PCC? Because this may end up in a misdemeanor plea. It may end up being waived over to circuit court. I don't know yet, but I did want to talk to him, and I'm in trial next week, and he's out of the office for a week, Your Honor.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Were you able to get all that information, or are you still awaiting discovery?
I do have the discovery from the people. I had some discovery for him that I was presenting, and so I'd like a little bit of time to have an intelligent conversation before we waste the court's time with anything.
Anything from the people?
No, Your Honor. I do have a note in the file from Mr. Maidana that it reflects the same.
So we'll find good cause to adjourn the matter and then reset it as another pre-exam conference. And anything further?
Nothing, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right.
Not from defense, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Bond shall be continued. Take care.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
Mr. Gonzalez, you need your guy? Yeah, I didn't know what you needed.
You're all set, Mr. Shutt. There we go.